Hello students, everyone to welcome. In the previous session, we discussed about method of preparation in haloalkanes. Okay, so now today we are going to discuss about remaining part of haloarenes method of preparations. Okay, method of preparations. Haloarenes either be called as aryl halides. Okay, just first preparation, electrophilic substitution reaction. Already you know that in terms of electrophilic and nucleophilics. Okay, just remember of those terms. So first one is electrophilic substitution reaction. Substitution reaction. So first we consider one of the example is the benzene ring. The benzene ring is directly attached with CH3 methyl group is called what? Toluene. Okay. So the toluene molecules, two molecules, react with halogen molecules in the presence of catalyst iron. Okay. So in the presence of catalyst iron, we get aryl halides. Aryl halides means benzene ring contact with halogen ion. So in this case, two products will be appear. So CH3, one of the halogen is attached with in this position. This is called what? Ortho. This is meta. This is para. Right? And one more molecule of benzene is CH3. The halogen atom is in the place of para. This is called what? Toluene. This is a what? 1, 2. Say ortho position. Ortho. This is haloarenes. Halo. This is what? Toluene. Say toluene. Okay. So what about this one? This is para position. So para, halo, toluene. Say go for some examples. So same thing. So CH3. X is replaced by chlorine. X means we consider chlorine and bromine. Okay. So here chlorine molecule, the presence of catalyst. Catalyst as we take iron and iron 3 set chloride. Okay, these are the catalysts. Catalyst means this is a substance which used to the reaction, high rate of reactions. That's why using catalyst. Okay, so we as using X means chlorine and bromine, but not consider iodine and fluorine, because fluorine, this is not in the method of electrophilic substitution reaction of preparation by using, because of they having a high reactivity molecule, high reactivity fluorine ions. So that's why we not use the fluorine. Fluorine have high reactive molecules. Okay. And what about iodine? Iodine is a reverse in nature. So the process will be reverse. Reverse in the nature. So that's why we not take an X as a fluorine or iodine. Only we take chlorine and bromine. Okay. So example of chlorine 2. Then what? Same thing. This is a what? CH3. So chlorine. Okay, so one more is here CH3 7. What about this name is? Yes. Ortho, this is ortho, meta, para, ortho, chloro, toluene. This is what? Para, chloro, toluene. Okay. So in the case of this ortho and meta and para, so para is a look like symmetric nature. So this is a high reactive molecule. So this is a symmetric nature. So they having a high melting point, high boiling point compared to ortho and meta. We'll discuss in the next video of physical properties of alloalkanes and alloarenes. Okay. Same happens in the take an example of bromine molecule also. So bromine, we take the example to get here bromine and here. Clear? So called as ortho bromo toluene, here para bromo toluene. This is about electrophilic substitution reaction. Clear? Okay. Next was Sandmeyer's reaction. Okay. This is prepared aryl halides. Okay, next is Sandmeyer. Reaction. Okay, so what's the term? Sandmeyer. Okay, Sandmeyer reactions. So Sandmeyer reaction, we take the primary aromatic amines. So ammonia. Okay, amine means primary amines means or NH2. One of the H is replaced. Here H. So one of the H is replaced. This is primary. What about secondary is N, H, then R and RH. And tertiary is R. Okay, this is called what? Primary. We take only the primary amines, aromatic amines. Especially we take primary aromatic amines, not aliphatic, because we prepare alloarenes. So primary aromatic amines like this is aromatic. Okay, so aromatic means benzene ring. The ring containing 3 alternative double bonds. Amines primary is called as R. Remaining is NH2, right? So here NH2 is called what? Directly benzene ring attached with NH2 group is called as aniline. Okay. So aniline is reacting with the nitrous acids. Nitrous acid means it having the combination of NaNO2 sodium nitrate plus some mineral like HCl, we take HX, hydrogen halides. So at low temperature 273 to 275 Kelvin, so 2 molecule of HX. So what will be come from here? So the reaction will get benzene ring, say N, here of one of N, N2 plus X, one of the X, remaining is, just see this reactant molecules, say Na and one of the X, NaX. Okay, so remaining is here already one X is going to be the benzene ring, remaining X is attached with sodium. So here only the 2H, 2 oxygen molecules and 2 H molecules, 4H and 2 oxygen molecules. This is 4H, 2 oxygen water molecule. Clear? So same example, you take example here, say come from what? This is HCl, we'll get the benzene ring attached with this N2Cl and NaCl. Okay? So this is called what? Diazonium salt. We call it diazonium salts. Okay? So now you write, this can be write the N2 molecule we write like this also. Triple bond N is a plus and X minus. Okay? So in this molecule, you can write here, so N2 plus, say 2 product will appear in the presence of chlorine and bromine. Okay? So we take CuCl, cuprous chloride in the presence of hydrogen chloride. Okay? Either you take cuprous halides, anything. So we'll form what you get. You get, say, Cl. Okay? Remaining is N2. This is called what? Chlorobenzene. Okay? Chlorobenzene. Arrow arrange. Same as like you take a cuprous bromide, in presence of hydrogen bromide will appear. It's called what? Bromobenzene. Clear? This is about the Sandmeyer's reactions. Clear? It's important. Okay, students, may I explain you again? This is called what? Aromatic. Primary aromatic amines such as aniline. This is react with nitrous acid. This nitrous acid we prepared from sodium nitrate. We prepared from sodium nitrate and mineral of HCl, hydrogen chloride. So we'll get to this product we called as diazonium salts. Okay? Benzene diazonium salts. So benzene ring is there. Benzene diazonium salt. So benzene diazonium salts and sodium halides and water molecule will be liberated. Then benzene diazonium salts will react with cuprous chloride and hydrogen chloride will get chlorobenzene. Cuprous bromide will get bromobenzene. Okay? So next was another one is from alkenes. Okay? It's very important. From alkenes. From alkene. Alkene means carbon-carbon double bond. Alkynes triple bond. Okay? So is react with any type of hydrogen halides. Okay? So what will be formed? So here the carbon-carbon double bond, it is break down to forming of single bond. How is carbon-carbon double bond is break down to single bond? Here the hydrogen atom is reacting with the carbon-carbon double bond of alkene group, and the remaining HCs come from the double bond carbon atom of this carbon atom. So double bond is break down to forming of single bond. So here these are the HH. This is called H. Okay, here HH. Say HH, right? So this hydrogen is come from here, and this halogen is here. So this is called what? CH3 and CH2X. Okay, this is halides. This is C2, ethyl. This is ethyl halide. We take example like Cl. X is example like Cl or Br and iodine. So whatever you take an example, this is replaced by H into I. You will get CH3, CH2I. You take Br, it's come from CH3, CH2, Br. Okay. This is what about this is look like Cl, CH2, CH2. This is, we have to be breakdown. Totally we get symmetric structure. Okay. This is called symmetric alkene. Okay. The symmetric alkene will give this type of reactant products. What about we take an asymmetric alkenes? So look at one of the example. Asymmetric alkenes, CH double bond CH2. 1, 2, 3, 4, 1, 2, 3, 4, right. So in the presence of any example like H iodine, HI. So just see here. The first one, the hydrogen atom is, students, the hydrogen atom is attached with the carbon-carbon double bond of alkene in this carbon atom. So, and remaining of I is attached with carbon-carbon double bond of this carbon atom. So, what will we get? See here, CH3, CH, the double bond is break down to forming of single bond. This is break, okay? Single bond, and here is H. H means CH2, okay? CH2 and single bond CH2. This is I. We write CH3, CH2, CH2I. This is name is 1, 2, 3. Set 1 iodine. Say 1, 2, 3 propane. What about this one? This is 1, 2, 3. Double bond is there. This is propene. This is one of the alkene is converted to get alkanes. Okay. So this is the first case. In the case of second thing, same the molecule. Same molecule we taken. CH3, CH double bond CH2 HI. Okay. So here the atom is attached with the carbon-carbon double bond of this carbon atom, and iodine, halogen atom. The halogen atom is attached with the carbon-carbon double bond of alkene group of this carbon atom. This is what we write. See here, in this carbon-carbon double bond of, in this carbon having only one hydrogen atom, less hydrogen atom. In this carbon, 2 hydrogen atom. So this is called what? Marconius of Lorentz. So called what? Markovnikov rule. What's the rule? Was said, very important. See here, first thing. Later will be I will explain about definitions. So the product will CH3, CH. So this iodine is attached with in this carbon atom. See iodine, right? So remaining is single bond CH2 in this hydrogen is attached with carbon, they make 3 CH3. So this name is 1, 2, 3. 1, 2, 3 It's called what? 2-iodopropane. 2-iodopropane. Okay. So in this method, only one alkene is giving two type of possibilities of products. Okay. In that, this is called minor. This is the major. This is only the 19%. It is 81% of product of yield will be applied. Okay, now going to the definition of Markovnikov's rules. It's explained about addition of HX like HCl, HBr and HI alkenes group to any alkenes group. This is considered asymmetric. Alkene groups gives corresponding alkyl halides. We get alkyl halides. Okay. In higher alkenes, addition of hydrogen halides takes places to according to Markovnikov rules. It's a major point. So what's the term of Markovnikov's rules say? It may see here, this is the second one is Markovnikov rules. Was explained negative part of hydrogen halide, this means HX, is added to the double bonded carbon double bond. Okay, alkenes. Carbon double bond means alkenes containing less number of hydrogen atom. Okay. Just to concentrate on this one term. What this indicated, Markovnikov rules, negative part of hydrogen halide is added to the double bonded carbon atom. See here, this is carbon double bond. Hydrogen halide, the halides is added to the negative part. How they have considered negative part? The alkenes containing less number of hydrogen atoms. See here, the carbon only one hydrogen atom. In this case, the carbon having two hydrogen atoms. So in this case, this is hydrogen halide. Iodine is added to in this carbon atom, more number of hydrogen atom. This is minor. Okay, the iodine is added to the less number of hydrogen atom of alkene double bonded carbon atom. This is giving 2 iodopropane or 2 halopropanes. So this is called major. Okay, this is called what? Markovnikov rules, major part. And one more is anti-Markovnikov rules. Anti-Markovnikov rules is explained what? Giving presence of peroxide. So one of the catalyst. So peroxide, hydrogen peroxide is a catalyst. The catalyst irutte jothe. Illi yavu catalyst illa. But illi enirtade hydrogen peroxide. Peroxide catalyst is present and added addition of HBr. In the case of HI, we taken HBr. So takes place against the Markovnikov rules. Here is, this is a product. In the case of anti-Marconic rules, this is to be considered. Against the Marconic rules, the presence of very important hydrogen gas. This is anti-Marconic rules, this is Marconic rules. Okay, don't worry, we concentrate only the Marconic rules. Okay, this is important. This is about Marconic. Don't get confused. Only just less number of hydrogen atom of the alkene-alkene double bond is attached to the hydrogen halides. This is major product 81%. Okay, so next last one is the next two. So from alkanes, one more product is dihalides. Okay, so from alkenes you can take C double bond. Okay, say alkene group. This is ethene. So halogens, so attached with halogen X2. In the presence of catalyst CCl4, carbon tetrachloride, will get the carbon-carbon double bond break down to forming of single bond and one of the H. Okay, this is called what? Vicinal halides. Vicinal halides. Already we discussed in the previous classes. Vicinal halides means adjacent. One of the carbon atom in the adjacent carbon atom presents with the two halogen atoms. So now take examples. Just concentrate. Carbon, say ethane, say bromine, CCl4 will get H. This is X has Br and Br. Okay, the name is the vicinal halides like vicinal bromine. Either say ethylene, CH2, say ethylene bromide. 6. Preparation of from alkenes, dihalides. Okay, this is about the preparations. Okay, students, clear? Okay, next videos we discuss about the physical properties and chemical reactions. Okay, thank you.